Hi there. In this video, I'll give you two expressions that we use a lot in conversations. The first one is, so do I. The other, neither do I. We use these two expressions to show that we agree with someone. If your friend says, I like pizza, and you also like pizza, so you agree with him and you share with him the same opinion. You say, so do I. Means I like pizza too. Or we can say, me too. Let's take more example. If someone says, I like ice cream, you say, me too. Or, so do I. I live in London. Me too. Or, so do I. Or, I like cats. So do I. Or, me too. The other expression is, neither do I. Neither or neither is pronounced both ways, and both ways are acceptable. We use this to express agreement, but in the negative form. Like, I don't like pizza. This sentence is negative. It has the word not in it. So, when you want to agree with someone who says that, you say, neither do I. Or you say, me neither, which is, by the way, much easier. I don't like cats. Neither do I. Or me neither. Now we have other sentence with different auxiliaries. For example, I'm tired. We say, so am I. I'm exhausted. So am I. I was tired. So was I. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. See you then. Goodbye.